Hey, what's up guys, IFFTECHCARE is here and I have got some exciting news for you. Apple played a huge wild card that did something that no one expected. They released the product red version of the iPhone X folio case. $99. There's still just hope if they make more colors of that. Someone will start buying it. Someone will start thinking that awkward phone wallet case that is $99. It's worth it. But yeah, that's about it. So obviously that's not only thing. Also an iPhone 8 and 8 Plus came in product red. In the big surprise, everyone's really grateful for as Apple is actually going forward with Black Bezzels this time on the product red iPhone 8. Which of course, most people are very happy about. It's actually kind of nice to see Apple officially acts on a request. Everyone kind of said the same thing about the last year 7 Plus, so they actually changed it this time. And I think the reason that we have seen an iPhone color just for the iPhone 8 and we haven't seen any new colors for the 10 is 8's probably the hardest one to sell. You know, just 24 hours ago, before the release of the red color, iPhone 8 Plus sales were pretty low, giving most people interest in buying new iPhone or buying the iPhone 10. It's been 7 months now from September, which means the next generation of iPhone for 2018 are now getting pretty close. So who really was interested in buying iPhone 8, right? What was the point? If you wanted a new iPhone, you got an iPhone 10. And now people are already questioning, should we buy the iPhone 10? It's amazing how colors will change people's mind. Now certainly Apple releases the iPhone 8 Plus and 8 in product red. Now I bet a lot of people are actually gonna buy it. Similar to when they released the product red version of the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, it's clearly a mid-run way of boosting sales. It's like we could have released it at the beginning, but we kind of want to take a pin in our sales chart and lifting up that bar a little bit so the people get excited for the same iPhone again. Stats say that it works, especially tech journalists are buying it so they can try it out for themselves and see what it looks like, but functionally it changes nothing of course. It is kinda nice though that this is officially the second iPhone 8 with the black screen that actually has black bezels on their front. There's really not that many colors for 8 either, just between blush gold and silver. Space gray actually has a black bezels, now this has it too. Thank you Apple. We had a one difference with this release, supposed to last year is for one, this one is in April. We got 24 hours heads up, Apple saying, hey, pre-order starts tomorrow at 5:30 AM Pacific, which by the way Apple, thank you for telling us that. Wish you could have told us that when pre-order begins for the HomePod, instead of making your customer support community and customers guessing all day. We didn't know. Thank you for being upfront about it though. I kinda like what they did back in 2017 when the new iPad came out and the red iPhone 7. Instead now we get a sort of keynote, so we just had to hear about it from CNET. We got the semi-new iPad. It's like, oh, new Apple Pencil support. Okay. And couple of weeks later, Apple released it's just a new product, the red iPhone 8, which makes everyone go, oh, there's even more changes coming. When the Apple Store app changed at 5:30 in the morning, I was hoping that alongside it will actually get the unveiling of AirPower maybe or the new AirPods, but especially giving the primary reason that the AirPower is not out yet because it's not been approved by the FCC and the website still says AirPower may not be sold until it is approved by the FCC. It's really disappointing, which is a bad news. It makes me wonder if AirPower was really meant to be some kind of futuristic concept because the FCC looks at it and says this isn't safe for selling yet, or we're not sure if you can sell this yet. It's really not gonna happen anytime soon. But regardless, I'm still very impressed by the iPhone 8. I'm surprised they went with the full dark red glass on the back, which is very saturated. I kind of thought if they weren't gonna do glass on the back, they would do it more as an accent, kinda like they did with the blush gold and silver. Not very saturated colors, just kinda like midtones, and then maybe Apple would make a really accented product red bumper around with the aluminum. It'd be a product red Apple logo, and that would be the red 8. But no, they made the exact same color combination as the back of the iPhone 7 Plus with the silver Apple logo and solid red back, which looks really cool. I'm curious about your thoughts. What you guys think about the iPhone 8 product red? Let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Peace out.